Congratulations! You have been selected as a partner for a brand's campaign. Let's get you started. First, go to the home page and click on the pending project. On the next page, you will find all of the relevant information on the company and their content goals. If you would like to proceed with the campaign, click Accept. Now review the delivery date. If you can complete the project within the time frame given, confirm by clicking Accept. You have now accepted the project. The partner agreement will be sent to your email by the following day. Please reply to this email with your signed agreement. Now it's time to begin communicating with your advertiser. Click the chat icon on the top right to begin. You may select who the chat is directed to by selecting the @ sign. This is where you can discuss the project as it moves along. There are 2 stages of deliverables. First, you'll need to upload your concepts and wait for approval. Go to the Creative Concepts section of the Deliverables tab and click Upload. From there, you can select the assets you would like to submit. Once they are fully uploaded with a green check, review your selection and click on the Submit for Approval button. You've completed your content and it's time to share it with the whole team. This time, go to the Videos section of the Deliverables tab and click Upload. Select the videos you would like to submit, and once they are fully uploaded with a green check, click on the Submit for Approval button. Now it's time to keep an eye out for notes from your advertiser. Keep in mind, they have 1 round of revisions per deliverable. Feel free to reach out to us at any time if you have any questions. We're looking forward to seeing what you create.